Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, my name is Afsa Fatma. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, my name is Maria. Welcome to our channel. Today we have another DIY for you. That is with ice cream sticks. For that, first and the main item and the last item, ice cream stick. Then we have here a couple of scissors and some tape, which is double-sided tape, or you can take the normal tape, which tape you have. And then we have UHU, the best glue in the world, but again, be careful. So without wasting time, let's begin. But we will count till 3, and you have to subscribe and like and share in these 3 seconds. In 3 seconds, 3 times. So let's begin the timer. 1, 2, 3. Have you done? Then please comment in the comment box. Yes or no. For this DIY, we're gonna use an old jewelry box and some 5 colored ice cream sticks. Mama helped us to cut them in half. And for this day, we are also using the bundle of joy. I mean flowers. But I don't see any of the flowers. I just see a box. Flowers, are you in there? No. Wow. Let's see some roses and some leaves. They're so cool. Now, let's start. Friend Malia, will you help me to put all the colors in our little garden? Yes, I will leave colors my favorite. Alright, we have put the double-sided tape all around. Now we are gonna start making our little garden. So I'm gonna take a yellow and stick it over here. Here you go. It's my favorite color. Alright, we're gonna take green. You have to stick it really carefully so it does not break. Any of the stick does not break and be in sequence. I am gonna make you tired by sticking all of these sticks. We're gonna now put the pink one. Now the red one. So here I give you. Alright, I'm done with the red one. Again, there you go, my favorite. Now this color again. And now you take the red. Alright, now I need... No, not this. You should take pink again. I love pink so much. No, not much. That much. I love blue. I love blue much more. Alright, I'm done with that. Friends, you love it how my sister do this? Now we're going to turn around and put over here. Malia, your work is again here. So, these 3. I'm a little tired. Malia, can you help me? Huh? Yes. Alright, Malia is now gonna stick. Now, I will give you my favorite colors. That is green. We'll leave a little bit of space. Okay? No. First is secure here. Yup. Is it right? Nothing. This. Oh, no. Yellow. Wow. I like its type of a neon color. Alright. Real? No, it's a little big space. Yup. And now next color, please. Pink. But down a little. Yeah. Perfect. Done. More? These are only 3. I don't took your favorite color. Now you will take red. Oh. Now you'll take the green one. Oh, thanks, sister. It's beautiful. Done. No, there's 1 space left, and you'll put pink, no red, no this blue. Yeah. Wow. other side. Perfect. Well, give me some colors. Yellow. Wow, it still looks so beautiful. And this. We will stick this yellow over here just like this. You can see, friends. Alright. It's like true happiness, true joy. Malia, which color should I take next? I think I should take red. And now I'm gonna take the green one over here. Oh, my finger just sticked on it. Now the blue one over here. Friends, you can see how perfectly I am doing it. I'm a professional. You're not a professional. Malia, I need more colors. I need more colors. Okay. Okay, here we've got the yellow. The yellow one should be, I think, over here. Yeah, over here. And I don't think so. There's space. For making our floor, we're gonna use a little bit of glue. We're gonna sprinkle it like we're sprinkling some chocolate syrup on the soil. So we have done it. So now I'm gonna put some leaves, spread some leaves over the glue so it looks like a garden. We are gonna use big and little leaves. I'm gonna put the leaf over here. This leaf. And this leaf I'm gonna put. I love it. And this leaf. What how you stick this one? Over here. Glue dry ho gaya. The glue is dried. So I'm just gonna not put more glue on the soil. I'm gonna put on the leaf directly. So that it can be directly stick. Yeah. All the work we do is directly. Oh, the flower sticks on it. Oh no. Now I'm gonna stick one last. That will be over here. And then I'm gonna stick some flowers. Mama, can you put a glue over here?
Yes, I can put.
And glue over here. Let me press it a little so it can be settled. And I'm gonna put the white flower on the petal.
So close it, please.
Oh no, it just spread it on my hands even. Oh no, it's all over the bedsheet.
It will dry. It will dry. Let it dry.
Let's put long string over here.
Complete your garden.
We're completing our garden, Mama.
Look beautiful now.
Still, I have left and two more flowers to stick.
I will keep this in my drawing room. I was saying garden. It is garden, but I was saying
we're gonna put it in the drawing room because there are so many
put
flowers inside of the drawing room.
Don't make them dry. Yes. Oh, no. The face should be towards the public.
Yeah, public. Oh no, I just broke the flower. Oh, flower's back. Finally, the garden is ready. The true happiness garden. So friends, you can see how it is done. Yeah, it's like a sleeping beauty will come and sit in our house and then we will catch her. Come sleeping beauty, we have cozy bed for you. This garden is so beautiful, I cannot say much about it because it's too beautiful. I'm just excited to look inside these flowers. It is ready, but it made us gluish. See, glue is all over our body. I'm safe, I don't have any glue. Alright! Friends, let's move to the second craft, that is cloud. To make it, what we used of second, you tell? Yes, we take glue and we stick the glue over here and then stick the ice cream sticks together like this. Yeah, locked. And then Malia is gonna stick some 5 cotton pads. Actually, we stick 1, but Malia is gonna stick 4 pads on
More to make the
more
cloud.
on this.
It's a very easy craft. You can make it
At
in
home.
5 or 2 minutes.
If you are big,
You can also take Mama's cotton thread.
Mama's help also. Malia.
Mama always helps you.
So I'm gonna put some glue over here.
Over here.
No, you can stick over here as well.
Yeah, it
Have
is.
you had an argument with the ice cream stick, huh? Malia saying no, I have to put on that. So I think Malia has an argument with the ice cream sticks.
Good.
Voila! You have to stick these
Now-
these
now it should be
cotton
over
pads on
here.
the ice cream sticks like voila!
Well, it is not for eating.
Voila! What
Final.
if I eat it?
See, it's just made in 2 minutes.
Ew.
Malia put it there.
Oh,
Oh, someone said that glue is not on over me. Now show your hands. All the glue. Alright.
Okay, now we'll wait.
Now the
wait.
time when it will dry, we will make his eyes.
Hello. There are some ballerina's on our cupboards.
Yeah.
I will hold for a few minutes.
Unicorns.
Yeah, there are unicorns.
The garden is also completed.
Like a farm.
You can keep watching the crafts of us. And friends, if you like these both crafts,
Yeah.
you can like, share, and subscribe for seeing more crafts like this. And we have another craft video that was of making of honeybee. You can search and watch that also, because that in that video we have also done a craft. And you can see our Teachers Day video where we have made our bags, paper bags, and they were looking like real bags, real paper bags. So you can watch these 2 videos if you want to make more crafts, just like this. Friends, and other crafts are waiting for you because their bus is not coming. But we will show you in the next video. If you will see this, we will show you in the next video that one crafts also. So guys, hope you enjoy our video. Subscribe, like, and share. Allah Hafiz. Love you all. Ummah.